Hi, this is Ann with Finance on the Offense, and today I'm going to go over 6 money hacks that you just might not have thought of. All right, let's get started. First up is phone service. Did you know you can pay as little as $10 to $30 a month using services like Tello or Mint Mobile? With some of the services, you can also use any phone. These two that I just mentioned, Tello and Mint Mobile, both have nationwide service and have really high ratings. The second thing is shopping for your insurance, whether it's home, car, even health insurance. You should shop around for insurance every time your insurance comes up for renewal, but you don't have to wait for that to happen. If you find out about a good deal, you can do it any time of the year. And then when you go to cancel your other service, they'll send you a refund for the unused portion that you have already paid. Most of the time you can get quotes online, so you can just do this within the comfort of your own home. There are also websites out there that will compare these sites for you. That's the whole point of the website, is to compare all these different types of insurance. This one can save you hundreds of dollars a year. The third money hack is shopping for your subscription services. So if you buy Hulu or Netflix or other streaming services, those two actually have sales throughout the year, especially Black Friday. For example, Hulu had a deal last Black Friday where new members could sign up for just $1 a month, and that deal was good for an entire year. So to find out what these companies have done in the past, you can just Google their name and then put deal after it, or like Black Friday deal. Then you'll be able to see what they've done in the past as far as sales and deals. Number 4 is a programmable thermostat. These smart thermostats are known for being easy to use and program, and they cost anywhere between like $35 and $100. Now you might think that's a little expensive, but when you're thinking over the course of an entire year, you're most likely going to be saving way more than that, hundreds of dollars a year, if you don't already have one of these. So it's definitely worth it from a finance perspective. Number 5 is credit card hacking. And this can be something that's a little complicated, and it's definitely something you need to stay on top of. Basically, you can get credit cards that carry a yearly fee, which is something you normally would not want, but these credit cards have such good perks that it more than makes up for that yearly fee, especially if you're doing like international travel every year. An example is the Amex Platinum. With that card, you have to pay almost $700 for the yearly fee, and you have to spend a certain amount in the first few months. But once you've hit that threshold, the amount that you get back in perks is over $700, so it would definitely be worth it in that case. Just be sure that you know exactly all the details of how these cards work and that you're very comfortable with it. You'll also want to make sure to cancel the card after a year, because usually the second year and third years don't nearly make up the cost of that card, which is, obviously $700 a year. So you want to cancel it before you have to pay that fee again. The 6th money hack is coupons and deals extensions. So these are little Chrome extensions that you can have right up in your browser, and they help you to save money if you're shopping online. So the two that I like are Honey and Rakuten. Honey is a Google Chrome extension that'll check all available coupon codes for whatever online shop you're buying at. Usually when I use it, I save anywhere between $2 and $5. Rakuten is its own website, and you have to sign up for an account there. But then if you go through Rakuten to buy something online through, let's say, Walmart, they'll give you a % back of whatever you purchased at Walmart. You'll just need to read all the details on Rakuten.com to see how it works. All right, I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you liked it and you want to see more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.